Hello everyone, welcome from the WVK list. In this tutorial, I will show you how can we start developing a custom Genesis style theme from the scratch. So, before starting this tutorial, you have to ensure that already into your server you have uploaded Genesis framework. I hope you have done this job successfully. So, you can see in my dashboard there are a lot of things, but I want to build a custom theme and it must be from scratch. So, and I have ensured that my Genesis framework is already uploaded in my dashboard or my local server. I'm going to the code editor. I'm using the PHP Storm, which is one of my favorite code editor, and I have already access to the theme folder, and I want to create a new theme. So I want to create a folder and I want to give the name of the folder like a demo. Okay, in my article I have already described that one file is mandatory and that is called the style.css. so you must have this file. So first we want to create this file new, and I want to create a style sheet, and the name of the style sheet will be style.css. okay, but this is not the end of the development. We have to go to this code. I want to copy these codes and paste here. Give the name of the theme like demo theme. Okay, and theme URL like I am giving a random URL like demo dot theme. Okay, you can give the description like demo theme for everyone. Okay, author public purist, author URL like demo dot theme. You can give a version like 1.0.0, and you can give also some text like responsive layout education something. One thing is most important, the template name must be the Genesis, or you can see the folder name is Genesis and this name must be like this. Okay, you can go to text domain like domain. Okay, now go back to the dashboard and refresh it. You will see there is another child theme. You can see there is an elegant child theme and call this demo theme. We have given this information and we want to activate. It is activated and I want to visit this site. You will see all things are broken. Why this is? Because there is no style sheet, no CSS coding for this theme, but it is working as a theme works. Like I want to access to this the post only. I can click it, it will open the full content, and you can see I can also paste any comment like comment here, post comment. Yes, the comment is already published. So you can see the theme is working well, but due to the lack of the any style sheet or the CSS style, you can see the wall states are broken. So don't worry. There is another optional thing that you have. If you want to change or customize or override any things, the core functionality of the Genesis framework, you must need to use functions in that PHP file. So I want to create a file, and that is called functions.php. I want to give it all functionalities. Okay, here you have to include the library of the Genesis framework. For doing this, go back to my article and you can see there is a code line. I am copy it and paste it. So it will include the file init file from the Genesis. You can see here this is the file, this library, and this is the file. We have to include this file if we want to overwrite any the code functionality, or if we want to get the more customization. Okay, now save it and refresh. You can see all things are working well. So this theme is completely ready to customize with CSS, and this is the beginning stage of starting development a Genesis custom theme.